Users really like the Huawei Band 9 for a bunch of reasons, and it can give you a great experience if you're after a fitness tracker with lots of features. Here's a closer look of what users usually love about it. The Band 9 comes with a bunch of workout modes already built in, covering everything from running and cycling to swimming, and it has a 5 ATM water resistance and even rowing. This means users can keep track of how they're doing well in all sorts of activities. It's not just about counting steps and calories. With the Band 9, users can keep an eye on their heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep patterns, and stress levels. This gives them a complete picture of their overall health. Certain versions of the Band 9 have a built-in GPS, so users can keep tabs on their distance, pace, and route while working outdoors, all without having to bring along their phone. A standout feature that users absolutely love is the Band 9's incredible battery life. It can keep going up to 2 weeks on a single charge with regular use. This means that you don't have to worry about constantly recharging it, which is a huge plus for people who are always on the move. Staying in the loop without having to grab your phone, with the Band 9, you can get notification for calls, texts, emails, and social media apps right on your wrist. Plus, you can even decline calls straight from the band. Many users love the wide range of stylish and practical watch faces available. It lets them customize their Band 9 to suit their style and makes checking the time or notifications more fun and visually appealing. The Band 9 comes with a bright and clear display so you can easily see your information even when you're out in bright sunlight. The Band 9 is lightweight and comfortable, making it perfect for wearing all day and night, even while you're sleeping for sleep tracking. Compared to high-end smartwatches, the Band 9 provides a solid set of features at the competitive price, which makes it more accessible to a broader range of users. People often see the Huawei Band 9 as a perfect blend of a basic fitness tracker and a fully fledged smartwatch. It offers through health and fitness tracking, handy smart notifications, and a comfy, trendy design, all with a battery life that goes the distance. This makes it a trusted companion for those striving for better health, staying connected, and living a more active life. While the Band 9 has a lot to offer, it might not have as many features as some smartwatches when it comes to apps and customization. Also, not all models have GPS, so make sure to check before you buy it if that's something you need.